and welcome to Casa Janday. This is a new listing for spring 2018, and a very pleasant surprise upon visiting this property. There's lots of extras, and I'll run through them as we walk round, but it's a really attractive, got this huge, very deep covered terrace with the arches. It's got a huge, probably a 40 or 50 square metre master bedroom at the top there with a huge terrace again. The pool here is 9 metres and it's heated. There's also a garage down below, and it's in really good condition. So you've got sort of big open views. It's located at the back of a urbanisation, which is fully urban. Mount Roma in the distance over there. Periana is only 5-minute drive away. Like I say, it's got huge terraces all the way around this property. So little bar area there that leads off the lounge. You've got a fitted barbecue, and it's all fully walled. These really nice arches, and you've got access off your kitchen as well. So lots of extras, like I say. We're just going to take a quick look now. There's a storeroom and the garage, which has an automatic door. Again, you've got a gated entrance from the bottom. Okay, so this is the garage door here. You can see motor in. You've got water deposit over there, log store, as well as the pump for the pool in the corner, and then the inverter unit, which is only about 3 years old, is actually located out here. That's the heat pump system for the pool. So it's got a lot of curb appeal, very good security. There's the garage there. Okay, so interesting property. You've got intercom system for allowing people in and out as well. And so just a very basic storeroom as well, but very useful. Plus it's all on the title deeds. Some nice tiling throughout the property as well. Low maintenance gardens, because most of it's terrace and just a few potted plants. And there you've got your main porch and front door. Okay, so we are going to go into the kitchen. Okay, so kitchen is separate. It's got the patio access. It's got electric hob, as well as a separate kind of utility area with future further storage, washing machine, second sink, dryer, and this quite nice kind of feature archway leading through into it. So again, good size. And then the lounge is an L-shaped lounge with nice open fire there. You can see it's burning away. So big wide patio doors leading through onto that big covered terrace. And then you got a nice kind of dining cove in the back corner there. So there's your main front door and hallway. General bathroom with bath, shower screen, and some nice units actually, getting above spec. So 2 bedrooms on this level, and they've both got the high ceilings, okay? So you've got the vaulted ceilings, fitted wardrobes, again fair size and in very good condition. So this is where you get a bit of a wow factor as well. These marble stairway is one of the biggest master bedrooms I've seen. Take a look at that. So you've got a large AC unit there, which is an inverter. You've got walk-in shower. Again, unit, sink, toilet and bidet. You could almost have 2 rooms here, to be honest. But the views are fantastic. The terrace is huge. And basically, this is all nice and private, with the guttering and the awnings, and another barbecue as well. So there we have it. This is Casa Janday. This is going to be listed for €245,000. Given all the extras and the size of the property itself, with the pool and the garage and the 3 beds, this is a very interesting new listing. So if you want further details, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net.